Are you aiming for a six-figure salary without spending years in college? The good news is that you can build a high-paying career based on your skills and determination. In this guide, I'll introduce you to 5 promising job paths you can start today without the burden of student loans. If you enjoy solving problems and working with technology, consider a career as a software engineer. By learning coding languages such as Python or JavaScript through bootcamps or free online courses, you can quickly build the skills that top companies value. Many tech giants hire based on your ability, not your diploma. A friend of mine even went from zero experience to a six-figure income in just 3 years while working remotely. Another attractive option is becoming a cybersecurity analyst. With cyber threats on the rise, companies are investing heavily in protecting their data. Earning a certification like CompTIA Security Plus, which can be completed in about 6 months, can set you on a path where starting salaries hover around $60 and rapidly climb as you gain experience. This role not only offers a rewarding salary but also the satisfaction of keeping important systems safe. For those who thrive under pressure, the role of an air traffic controller might be the perfect fit. The FAA offers specialized training that does not require a college degree, and successful candidates can earn over $130,000 a year. Although the job is challenging, the high rewards and the unique responsibility of guiding airplanes make it a standout option for earning a six-figure income. Digital marketing is another exciting field, especially if you're active on social media. With free courses available from platforms like Google, you can learn SEO, online advertising, and data analytics. By building a strong portfolio even with practice projects, you can kickstart a career that offers around $85,000 or more, whether you work for a company or freelance. Lastly, consider a career in sales. Whether you're selling luxury cars, software, or real estate, a career in sales offers the potential for unlimited earnings through commission-based income. For example, a relative of mine entered sales without a degree and now earns well over $200,000 a year. In sales, your charisma and communication skills often matter more than formal education. In summary, a six-figure career is well within your reach without a college degree. Whether you choose technology, cybersecurity, air traffic control, digital marketing, or sales, there are plenty of opportunities available for those willing to learn and work hard. Your skills and determination are the keys to success. Enjoy the journey and best of luck in your new career.